5 members of the Gaslands NorCal Team have completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the big box of stuff I sent to them, and here's what they did with it. I've listed the names of each builder at the lower left-hand corner of the pictures of their builds. All of the builders did a fantastic job. You see a real difference in all of their styles, and yet they're all really cool. So I truly appreciate that all of you tackled this assignment. I hope you had fun with it. It's been a blast looking at all of these builds. I'm going to step back for a second and let the viewers really just take it all in and enjoy the builds for themselves. You may have recognized a couple of the builders. Bo Ahlgren and Christopher Clarke have both taken the challenge individually earlier, and it's absolutely great to see them bring in more team members and have fun with the challenge. Thanks again to all of you for watching these videos. Be sure and check out their channels and check out the earlier challenges that were completed too. Everyone, stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks for watching these videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.